Welcome. I'm Vihaan Sesetty,
And I'm Judge Sekyema.
and this is EcoTrackr.
So,
EcoTrackr is an interactive gamified way to track your eco-friendliness. EcoTrackr is unique because it not only tracks your eco usage, but also helps you understand it better with real life data comparisons and a game on the back end.
so right now, we are entering in our data, which is going to give us a more personalized experience as we go throughout the app. And we're also picking our eco tracker pet, our eco pet, to so that they can help us stay motivated in keeping with our eco journey.
Okay, so now this is the home page. The home page is basically the core of everything. So here you see your eco score, your progress to the next level, and how well your eco pet is doing. The log is where you track your daily activities that impact the eco score. So, for example, eating a plant-based meal, locally sourced, walking instead of taking a car, taking some short showers, all of that is part of your eco score. And I'm blogging some of like the eco-friendly stuff I have done today, and then I can go check my eco score to see how eco-friendly I'm being. For example, today, based on some of the just some of the things I've done, I have 77 Earth health, which is excellent, and my pet is happy, so that's a good sign. Now, Jojo will explain badges.
So the badges you obtain by doing certain milestones in each of these categories. For example, not refraining from eating meat during your meals, or walking instead of riding, or instead of getting the bus or going on a car or something like that. All of these things will give you badges, which you can show on your profile along with your profile tier, which is at the bottom here. As you can see, we start out as bronze, but as we get more and more badges, our profile tier will increase.
Okay. And not to mention for every eco-friendly thing you do, you get eco coins, which and this is one of the best things of our whole system, the redeem reward. So you can actually, when you accumulate enough eco coins, you can spend those at an eco-friendly establishment, creating a positive feedback loop for eco-friendliness in our community. Jojo will explain the community.
So in the community tab, you can see fellow people on EcoTrackr and how well they're doing. And it also displays things like what school they go to. If you click on their profile, you can see their badges and things like that. And if you go to the schools tab, you can also see how well entire schools and organizations are doing in the EcoTrackr app. And there's also a community goal for the entire, either whether it's your city or your state or whatever region you're in. It will show a total community score of the thing that you're trying to accomplish here, which in this case is getting points to plant trees.
Now we have challenges. Every month we will have a unique challenges like no car November and decarbon dioxide December. In addition, there's going to be daily quests that you can complete to get more points and eco coins, and also weekly quests. There will also be community goals that you can start and get people to contribute to. And if you're able, you can contribute to other people's community goals based on how you are able to. Jojo will
Finally,
talk
we
about
have the
volunteering.
volunteer tab. So in the volunteer tab, you can look at the eco-friendly volunteering opportunities that are around you. For example, there's one about planting trees or about cleaning up streams and waterways nearby. And you can mark these as complete, and you actually gain eco coins, which you can spend in the redeem tab, as we said earlier.
Mhm.
And doing all of these, you can log these for service hours or do anything like that. And any volunteering organizations can partner with EcoTrackr to get their events displayed on this tab.
Yeah, and based on what you selected as your main goal, it gives you a featured event. Finally, the Learn tab, it gives you eco tips on what you selected you want to learn more about. You can learn some new facts every day. They change every day. You can read more about certain topics. You can get directions to local partners, and you can even test your knowledge about eco-friendly and environmental knowledge. Thank you, everyone, for joining us while talking about EcoTrackr.